Hi everyone, in this video we'll see how to post data using Raspberry PicoW or like fetch data using the same. So here like on Pico and I have initialized my Wi-Fi connection. So this will generate this piece of code. Now in a forever loop, basically I'm trying to read the temperature and posting it to some website. And like I'm trying to get that data from the website, parsing it and displaying it, and then I'm waiting it for like 10 minutes to again post the data, fetch some data and like parse that data and display it. So here like we are creating a JSON structure and like we are converting it to string. So like you can add like lot of key value pairs using these operator blocks. So here like I have added a temperature and I have converted that into a post data. Then I'm sending a post request. So like using this block, I have added like URL headers and my post data. Now I'm getting that response into the response variable. Now from that response, I'm getting the JSON data. Now once I have the JSON data, I'll get the data item from the data structure object, and that I'm converting it to a JSON object or like a object basically. So this is basically a string, something like this. So it will convert this data into an like object, and from that object again I'm getting the temperature property and storing it in the data variable. Then I'm closing the response and I'm simply printing this data. So you can see here the code, like it will create a string, then you will post this data, then from whatever the data you receive, you get the JSON data out of it. Then from that data variable you get the data item, and that data item is a string, so you convert it into an object, and from that object you assess the temperature property and you display that temperature finally. So to upload, you just have to click the upload button. And if you want more details on how to set up the Raspberry Pi Pico with CodeSkool Scratch, you can follow this documentation. So it talks about how to like install the MicroPython framework and other applications. If you still face any issue, you can go here and join our Discord community. So in the Discord community, you will find like a lot of announcement and other useful informations. So I hope you like this video. Happy hacking.